In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a CSV file bank statement into Xero in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Xero or just need a quick refresher, we've got you covered. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's jump right in. First, let's begin by logging into your Xero account. Head over to the Xero login page, and if you're not already on it, take a moment to navigate to the login section. You'll be prompted to enter your registered email and password. Make sure you're using the correct credentials, and if you've forgotten them, Xero provides an option to reset your password right on this screen. Once you've entered your details, go ahead and click that login button. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Xero dashboard. From here, we're going to transition to the accounting section. Direct your attention to the top navigation bar and look for the accounting drop-down menu. Once located, click on it and a menu will expand before you. From this expanded menu, select bank accounts. This will lead you to a page where all your bank accounts linked with Xero are listed. Next, you'll need to manage the specific bank account into which you'd like to import your statement. Find the desired bank account and you'll see a Manage Account option. Clicking on this will reveal a few more actions you can take. From the list of options available, the one we're interested in right now is Import a Statement. Click on that and you'll proceed to the next screen. On this new screen, look for the Select CSV File option. Clicking this will open a file dialog from which you can navigate your computer's file system. Find the CSV bank statement file you wish to upload. It's crucial that the file is in a CSV format, otherwise it might not upload correctly. Once you've selected the file, click Open to begin the upload. Keep in mind that Xero will guide you through an upload process where it checks to make sure your file meets Xero's standards. Ensure that the columns are correctly mapped and formatted accordingly. Adjust as needed based on Xero's guidance to avoid any errors during the upload. After uploading your file, simply click Next. This will prompt Xero to process your bank statement. Take a moment to review the processed transactions to ensure everything looks correct. If all looks good, you're all set. You've successfully imported your bank statement into Xero, and there you have it. With these simple steps, you've seamlessly imported a CSV file bank statement into Xero. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Have a fantastic